Hey, hello everyone. This is Dominic from Embedded Technology. Today I'm going to share with you how to simplify the software-defined storage by using embedded software package running on general server or on servers. And I have got our turnkey solution, the Ceph appliance, in front of us. Before we go to the detail of it, let's think about what's the goal and what's the benefit that the user could get from our solution. Our goal is to empower the IT user to use the embedded Ceph storage software appliance to deploy the Ceph cluster on whatever server platform they choose. And we want this deployment as simple as possible for the IT users. So who are interested in embedded Ceph software appliance solution? For the customer who is familiar with the high-level Ceph concept, but lack of the practical implementation, they would like to our solution. Or for the users or the customer, they want to embrace the Ceph cluster, but lack of the in-house software team to do the further deployment, management, and monitoring maintenance. Embedded, with years of experience, we are working on the Ceph storage turnkey solution. The turnkey solution is tightly integration of the server platform, the Ceph storage, including our professional service and the consultancy. Even more, we are provide the software upgrade to the customer. But here, this is the exciting part. Right now, we decide to provide a software-only package to the customer to allow them to run our software package on whatever the server brand, including the x86 server or the ARM server they prefer to use. This really gives the freedom and the flexibility to the customer. However, if you are the distributor who already carry the gigabyte computing servers, such like the AMD solution or the Ampere on server, here is the magic happens. Because our previous turnkey solution is based on and aligned with the gigabyte AMD and the Ampere server. So if you choose our software solution, our Ceph software appliance, you could provide a tightly integration Ceph turnkey solution to the end user who want to run the Ceph cluster. So right now, let's talk about the benefit from the end user point of view. The first one is the one-stop shopping. So if the end user get the solution from you, they could have a fully integrate for the server platform plus the Ceph storage software appliance as a turnkey solution. Also, it's a ready-to-go solution. It's a fully pre-tuned and optimized solution based on the server selection you did. And also, it's a power-saving solution. For example, the 2 unit here in front of you with the gigabyte Ampere solution, this unit is only consume the maximum power is about 270 watts. And this one, the 2U24 slot with the NVMe, the maximum workload is only consume 570 watts only. So it's really a green solution for the data center. And also, we provide for the end user, they could get a very comprehensive software support from Embedded. We are providing the software support from the kernel level to the operating system, the Ceph storage, and also a very user-friendly GUI interface, plus our professional service and the consultancy. And even more is for the future software upgrade. So one package with everything to ensure the worry-free for the long-term support on the Ceph cluster. In brief, the embedded Ceph software appliance empowers the IT user to transfer the traditional servers into a software-defined storage solution. If you are a distributor of the server platform, using the embedded Ceph software appliance could allow you to effortlessly offer the Ceph storage solution to your IT customers. This software package is compatible with the Intel, AMD, and Ampere platform to ensure any brand, any server could use it. Particularly for the distributor carrying gigabyte server on AMD or Ampere platform, the advantage is even better Embedded utilize this model to deliver a tightly integrated and pre-tuned Ceph turnkey solution to the market for the past few years already. So whether you are an experienced professional or you are just start to discover the journey of the SCS, Embedded is here for you. Welcome to contact us to experience furthermore information. Or if you are interested in becoming our channel partner, welcome to contact us with the below information in the end of this video.